Hi, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name's Maria, and I share quick tips on perfecting the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decor, and healthy living, and recipe videos. If you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. I have a review of Stitchfix for you today. If you're new to style boxes and you're thinking about trying Stitchfix, I want to tell you all about my whole Stitchfix experience to help explain how they work so that you can decide if it might be right for you. I'm also going to do an unboxing, and I will style the pieces with some other items from my closet, so you'll get a few outfit ideas from this video too. Hopefully all this will help you decide if Stitchfix is something you think is going to be worth investing in. I did do a review of Trunk Club already. Trunk Club is another styling box company, and I wanted to see how they compare to Stitchfix. So if you want to see how they compare, I will leave the link below to that video so that you can check it out. I did not do a try on with Trunk Club. I just really went into those details about how they work and what I thought of the quality of the clothes and things like that. I will be doing a unboxing and try on of Trunk Club in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. So what is Stitch Fix? Stitch Fix is a styling box that you can schedule to show up on your doorstep as often as you'd like. You can pick the frequency, and it isn't a subscription. So you could get one box per year, or you could get a box every week or every day if you wanted. You get to choose. You'll fill out a survey with your style preferences so that the Stitch Fix stylists have some sort of idea what kind of clothes that you like. They will send you clothing, jewelry, accessories such as purses and scarves, and you have the option to tell the stylist if, say, you don't want any shoes in your boxes, or if you only want silver jewelry. So it's really customizable. But I do encourage you to not be super picky with what you want and don't want, because a lot of the fun of these styling boxes is to try new things that you may not have thought to try before. And you might not have thought something looks good on you, and then your stylist picks it out and you're like, whoa, this really looks good on me, and you're just happy that you didn't put so many restrictions on it. So your box will show up in 2 weeks, and you'll get your 5 items that you can try on in your home and decide what you want to keep. Shipping is paid for both ways, and you have those 3 days to decide what you want to keep before shipping it all back, or shipping none of it back if you like it all. As of today, when I'm making this video, there is a $20 styling fee, and if you keep at least one item from your box, that styling fee will be waived. And if you buy all 5 items, then you receive a nice 25% discount off of your whole order. Stitch Fix is great for yourself, but with the holidays coming, it's also a great gift idea for someone else. And you're not limited to just women's clothing anymore. They have boxes for women and men of all shapes and sizes, and they even have pregnancy boxes and boxes for kids too. It can help you find your personal style by trying on things that you might not normally think to look at. And if you gift this, then you're basically giving somebody a really nice, perfectly styled box of clothes. So let's get into how Stitch Fix works. First, you'll go to their website and set up your style profile. They ask all kinds of questions like your height, your weight, the sizes you typically wear, and your proportions. Then the survey will go into how you like your clothes to fit, tight or loose clothes, and what body parts you like to flaunt or cover up. Then they'll show you some different styles, and you get to rate whether you would wear those particular styles or not. The styles range from romantic to boho to edgy and preppy. You get to pick where you normally shop so that they can get a feel for the price range and the style, and then smaller details like if you have pierced ears and fabrics or prints to avoid. The next page goes into more details on how much you want to spend on each type of item. They also have a Luxe program that will mix in higher end brands along with your regular priced items. Next, you get to schedule your fix, and you can do this on a rotating schedule where it's every few weeks, and then there's also monthly or quarterly options. But since this isn't a subscription-based box, you do have the option to just not have a schedule at all and pick and choose whenever you feel like getting a box. When you receive your box, which is usually about 2 weeks after ordering, you will have 5 items packed nicely in there, and you have 3 days to decide what you're keeping and what you're sending back. The clothes will come in a nice little box. Everything is wrapped in tissue paper, and there is a little note from your stylist in there too. I love how they have the ideas on how to style your outfits with these little cards. I do wish that they had a record of items that you've bought in the past so that they could really customize these style cards by incorporating some of the other items from your boxes that you've kept. Who knows, maybe they'll do this in the future. After picking your items, you go to their website, and when you check out, you can give feedback on each item that you've received so that they know what kind of brands you liked and what you had success with, or what you didn't like about certain items. If you keep all 5 items, you'll get that 25% off discount off of everything. And also you can add notes here with instructions on your next fix, and then you can also schedule your next fix right there on the checkout page. So more about the stylists. I had the same issue with Stitch Fix as I did with Trunk Club. This was really my only complaint. My stylist has switched up pretty much every time with every box that I've gotten. I've heard other people having the same stylist for a long time, but this just wasn't my experience, unfortunately. I think that you can get a much better curated box if stylists have a more personal connection to you and an understanding of what you like. Yes, they could go check out your social media accounts and that you have connected, and your new stylist could look at the notes from your past orders, but I really wanted to build a relationship with my stylist, and I haven't had the chance to do that. Next, we'll talk about the quality of the clothing. I have really had great luck with everything Stitch Fix has sent me. There were a couple times that they were sending really thin materials, and I wanted something more substantial and structured in the pieces I was getting, so I made sure to request that for my next box. But overall, I have always felt that the items were very well made. Some brands are ones that I've recognized, and others are new brands I've never heard of, but they were all very nicely made, so high marks on quality. So now I want to go into a little unboxing. So I thought it would be fun to unbox this with you guys. I have my Stitch Fix box here, and I already went and cut it open, and I'm just gonna look inside of it for the first time. So it's really cute packaging on the inside. They have instructions, and they have the inside of the box decorated with their logo and colors. And then inside you will find your package wrapped up in tissue paper with a little sticker, so you can just pop your stuff back in there when you're done and send it back. And then also is this little note from your stylist. And inside there are 2 things. This one here is your styling card. So inside it has a little note from your stylist on the top right, and then it has each of the items that you're receiving. Get that into the frame for you, sorry. And it shows, the different pieces that I'm getting and styling suggestions and little outfits that you can put together with each piece. And then this piece here is, it says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And inside it has, a little note that shows everything's cost, and it shows the items. And you can decide from there what you want to keep. And then inside here is the actual package. we'll go into the items being styled with each other, and I also threw in a few pieces that I already own to complete some of the outfits. I will put links in the information box below for everything that I can find, and if it is not available, I'll find something similar for you. The first item is from the Violets and Roses brand. This burgundy 3/4 length sleeve lace detail top is cotton, and it has a lot of extra fabric, making it very loose and flowy. It is lightweight and breathable and felt soft and comfortable. I liked all the details from the lace at the top to the band of embroidery around the waist area. It has a keyhole and a button in the back to fasten it closed. I really liked this top and I will be keeping it. It was $46. I styled the Violets and Roses burgundy top with the second item in my Stitch Fix box, which was those green pants, which ended up fitting pretty well. The pants are a stretchy cotton fabric and they're from the brand Market and Spruce. They're very comfortable. The third item is the burgundy tank top. It has a V neckline that wraps in a crisscross fashion in the front, more fitted than drapey, and since it has a lower neckline, I added a larger necklace to fill in that space around my neck. I added my Circle Barefoot Dream sweater, which I pretty much live in all fall. I thought the lighter color over the burgundy top brightened up the whole outfit. I added some black booties to finish off this outfit. These pants are the perfect length for these black booties. This tank top is from West Kai, I don't know how to say it, and it's $38, which seems like a good price because the fabric is really soft. But I just didn't love this item enough to keep it, so it's going back. The fourth item is a black and white plaid top from Abbey Rose. It looks like a regular t-shirt, but it's much thicker than a basic cotton t-shirt. It has a zipper on the back and it's very stiff cotton. Something about this top just screamed that it needed to go with a skirt and tights. So that's exactly what I did here. It's just a little more dressed up this way. But what I love about this top is that you can wear it dressed up, or you could pair it with those dark green pants that they had sent me, and it would be a really casual look. So I'm on the fence with this top. I may end up keeping it because it's $38 and that's not too bad for a shirt that's so versatile. The fifth and final item is the gray cardigan. It is from the Mix by 41 Hawthorne brand. It doesn't have any kind of fastener or buttons in the front. It's just an open cardigan. Initially, the fabric feels soft because it's a brushed cotton, but when I put it on, I noticed the inside was not the same fabric as the outside. The inside was rough and scratchy, and it just felt kind of cheap and uncomfortable. The sleeves were really short. I don't think they're supposed to be like this. They go up about 2 inches from my wrist. I styled it here with a pair of my cut from the cloth jeans and a white cotton tank top and a turquoise scarf. I also have these beige desert boots, which I just love for casual fall outfits. The cardigan is $38, which I think is overpriced for the quality of this item, so I am not keeping this one. So there was my review on Stitch Fix, and you even got a few outfit ideas from this video too. If you want to check out my Trunk Club review to compare Stitch Fix and Trunk Club, then I will leave a link for that right here. Also, I'm leaving the link to both Stitch Fix and the Trunk Club websites in the description box below in case you want to sign up or if you want to give this as an awesome gift to somebody else. You could gift them one box or you could do a set of a few boxes. Either way, I bet they will be happy. If you liked this video and you want to see when I post more like it, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button now. And also leave me a comment in the comment section below so that we can get to know each other. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a happy rest of your day.